Yesterday, we heard how the government plans to plough £2 billion into social housing. But a problem hanging over the building industry is the shortage of skilled workers. So a possible solution to building more homes could be to bring back the prefab instead. Victoria Hollins has been looking at them.
This block of flats in Stratford is the first of its kind, built using a new construction system. A jumping factory, a frame on giant jacks rising 3 metres every 45 minutes. Combined with so-called modular building techniques, it significantly speeds up the building process.
One floor entirely in 55 hours, and that's with all the internal fire stopping done, ready for putting the party walls up.
Utility cabinets, including Wi-Fi and boilers, walls, floors and bathrooms, are made in factories and lifted into place. It takes 2/3 of the time of a traditional build.
I think it's absolutely a game changer. If we can do buildings quicker, smarter and safer, we're making cost savings everywhere, as well as the impact on the environment. If we can build off-site and bring it to site, the emission reduction is incredible.
So, more homes, more quickly. A luxury hotel and apartments are being built here in the city. Concrete columns were made off-site, the cabling and pipework also created in a factory.
Behind this door is a good example of the way the construction industry is doing things slightly differently. This pod was delivered at 7 o'clock this morning into the heart of the city, and in it, a completely finished bathroom. The hotel will continue to be built around it. When it's finished, this will just slot into place and be part of the hotel room.
The industry has a skills shortage which needs to be addressed in terms of how to most efficiently use the resource that we have, and that's in this case best served by placing those in factories to create a production line where the assembly line is on site as the construction project, where less resource is needed on site.
A report today says progress doesn't have to mean huge changes to construction skills, but more to attitudes.
Take-up is very low, it's about 7% of the UK's construction output. A lot of the barriers are around industry culture, so it's quite, new methods, new innovation.
So-called modular construction is just part of the solution, but it seems London's growth must be about more than bricks and mortar. Victoria Hollins, BBC London News.